love spending time outdoors, so here's how to create a space that works for everyone, keeping the wow factor going in spite of everything life throws at it. And to help us out, we're using a wet and dry vacuum cleaner from Kärcher, making light of the jobs too tough to tackle with a regular indoor vac. A garden packed with wildlife is a happy one. If you've got bird feeders, you'll want to keep the area clean. Use the Kärcher WD3 to vacuum up all the spilt birdseed to deter any unwanted visitors. Sheds and storage cupboards can quickly become a dumping ground, but it's essential to keep them clean and uncluttered so that everyone's items can be stored and retrieved easily. Start by removing and sorting everything, donating unwanted items to charity. Then you're ready to clean. The Kärcher WD is ideal for this, with handy nozzles for getting rid of clumps of mud, cobwebs, leaves and layers of dirt. Playing patio games with chalk can be pretty chaotic, but makes for brilliant works of art. It will be pretty easy to clean off once you're done. Just grab the Kärcher WD and vacuum up any chalk debris or wet mess with ease.